Yes, good morning, people. This is day 27 of installing RCLX daily. Let us begin. Yes, as you can see, I have gotten a haircut, and yeah, it's okay. Hair has been cut, but the spirit has not been, so it's all good either way. Oh my god. Yes, Whew. Okay. Downloads are happening quite fast today, which is nice, of course, as always. Yeah, that's funny. Gawk. Okay, I'm sorry. Whew. Ooh. If you're watching this, guys, please comment how long do you sleep. I would like to know. Today is day 27, no? Yeah, day 27 only. Correct. Day 27. Yes. Yes, guys, it looks like we're done. That's all for today. I will see you guys on day 28. And yeah, disclaimer, this is not a tutorial. If you want a tutorial means I'll upload that on my channel. You can go watch that. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you on day 28. Bye bye.